Just gonna pull it back. I'm trying not to remove my wig cap. Sometimes they come off too. That's okay. You just put them back on, but it's a pain in the boot. Okay, let's hang this one up, and I'll show you the last one that I have for today. You can also attach the little strap to little loops in the wig if you don't want it to be separate, but I found with my little head that doesn't work, so I'm just going to take this off really quick. You just kind of got to work it off. There we go. And do this other one. If it doesn't have these little strap things, just don't get it. There we go. Okay. And then I will show you how to hook them together. If I can get all the hair off of them. So much hair. Okay, you're going to slip one end into a little pocket, and then you're going to slip this other end into this. There's a little pocket right here. So then you're going to slip this other end into the pocket. There we go. And then you have it like this. And that is how I prefer to have mine. It's up to you. Whatever you want. Whatever works for you. I don't care. Okay, let's do this last one. And this one... Okay, first of all, don't call me names. I don't like it. Just kidding. But this one is actually a thrifted wig. I found it at the thrift store, still in a box, still just totally wrapped up. Oh, like my ring is in it. Still in the package. So it was like $10 or something, and it's actually a halfway decent wig. It's not a lace front, but it has bangs. So as long as it has bangs, it doesn't really need to have the lace front. If it's not showing apart, then you don't need to worry about putting the foundation on the part. So let me just put this bad boy on. I kind of styled it already. So I call this one the Karen. Here we go. From the back down. Not getting rings caught up and everything. Okay. Woo! Yeah. So anyway, this one needs a little bit of help. Maybe I just need the help. I don't know. Okay. There we go. So this is... Ooh, I had it in a ponytail. There we go. Hang on here. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay. And this is the last one. Like I said, I call it the Karen. I don't know why. I actually saw this really funny video where someone was making fun of a very entitled person, and it was a dude, and they were wearing a wig that looked very much like this, and when I saw it at the thrift store, I was like, oh no, I'm getting a Karen wig, but it's all good, because sometimes, between you and me, sometimes I can be a Karen. Alright, so that is it for this wig haul, this little wig haul. I hope you enjoyed. I will show you some more wigs that I have when I am at a different location. So for now, thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of the video, be sure to hit the like button. If you hated the video, be sure to hit the dislike button. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I post videos every week. And during Christmas, I'll be posting videos every day. I hope you have a fantastic day, and peace out. Okay, so please be quiet because I'm recording right now. Shut the bathroom door, that's too loud. Thank you.